everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ellen, and I'm a creative mom who finds effective and budget-friendly ways to run a household. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of organizing in my kitchen. I will be reorganizing my children's things. We have kind of gotten to a new stage. My son is officially in the toddler stage. And so there are a lot of things here in this kitchen that I still have that he has just outgrown. And the other thing is, I am so tired of opening up this cabinet of plates and all of these children's plates falling out. Let me show you guys. Well, of course, because when I open it on camera, they don't all fall out. It's just super cluttered. It's cluttered in here. And I have all these children plates, and I really need more room to be able to reach my adult plates. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do next to minimize that problem. So basically what I'm going to be doing is reorganizing this drawer. You can see it's a giant mess. I have all of these like bibs that my son no longer uses. I have these tiny spoons that we don't use. All of these medicine droppers, Noopies, you know, just all of this stuff that just really needs to be cleaned out. And then I also have this drawer that I've been keeping bottles and cups in. Well, I've already taken the bottles out, but you can see it is, again, a giant mess. My plan for the top drawer is to still be spoons, but I'm gonna really clean that out and get all of that stuff out of there. We are gonna keep some bibs, but not the amount that I have in there. And my plan for the second drawer is to be solely cups and plates for the kids. Cups, plates, and bowls. Whatever the kids need to eat or any feeding is going to be in that second drawer.
I began by taking everything out of the drawers. You can see here I'm just cleaning out that top drawer. I did, before this, clean out the second drawer, but I forgot to film it. And I'm going to take the opportunity to just go ahead and wipe that out and get it nice and clean. You can see it is quite a bit of stuff up here on the counter. And what I'm going to do is set to decluttering. So I'm going to go through this and just go ahead and pack up things that we want to save and put it in a box, and trash the things that we want to throw away. I want to add that I'm taking the opportunity to wash these little baskets. I didn't film that part, but I did actually wash them before I set to putting them back in the drawer. You guys, the spoons took me forever. So I have those tiny spoons that I'm sticking into a bag to be packed up and put away. And then we had several spoons that were actually like toy spoons for my daughter's kitchen. So I'm trying to, you know, declutter those from the spoons that we're actually going to use, and just stacking everything. Once I had everything decluttered and categorized, you can see I have medicines, spoons, bowls and plates, and cups. And I'm just going to begin putting them back into the drawer. So here I am just trying to figure out the configuration that I want to use. I did actually settle on the left side of the drawer being things for the kids, the right side of the drawer for the most part being things for adults. And if you're wondering why we have so much fever medication for the kids, my son does have complex febrile seizures, so we take our fever medicine very seriously in this house. I always make sure I'm stocked up just, with all the shortages these days, I'm always afraid that there's a shortage of medication and I won't be able to get what he needs when he needs it. So here I'm just organizing the second drawer, and my camera died in the middle of that organization. So you will only have to be able to see the finished product there. But the last step is to label, and I am labeling all of my baskets in the drawers to make it easier to see where everything goes. And I do want to mention that the label maker that I'm using is the D30 label maker. I've mentioned it in other videos, but I will link it down below. And this is the final product for the top drawer. You can see I have all of the adult medication and creams on this side, and some spoons for the kiddos, and then the bibs. And then on this side I have all of the children's medication and thermometers and things that I need when the babies are sick. And in the second drawer here I have the cups organized. I really like how I used these bins from the Dollar Tree. The ones to the left are actually book bins that I just alternated the way they were placed into the drawer to help them fit a little bit better. And I love how this came out. It fits their cups perfectly, and I'm able to store everything neatly and find everything that I need.
That is it, you guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy coming along with me in this process as I reorganize my children's things here in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps to support my channel. And if you look forward to seeing more content like this, please consider subscribing. I'm always looking forward to sharing new ways that this mama tries. If you're interested in seeing some more content from me, I do have a blog called thismamatries.net. The link is in the description down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!